everyone. This is really annoying and it's getting on my last nerves. All these calls from Nigeria, both from people that I know, the ones that I don't know. They're calling me on Facebook Messenger, calling me on WhatsApp. If I don't answer, they keep calling like I'm owing them. I don't owe you guys nothing. Absolutely nothing. I'm not owing any bagger. You guys kept calling because you want to tell me you're in lockdown, you're hungry. Apparently, none of you is listening to the news, you know. I want you all to do me a favor, even if there is no light, for you to listen to the news. Pick up your radio. This same phone that you're using to call me, you're wasting your minutes and your data to call me. Play radio there. Hear world news. I'm in New York. Okay? New York, coronavirus is killing people like chicken. It's 1:30 in the afternoon. Today is Friday, April 24th, 2020. I've received almost 15 calls already about hunger and lockdown. For almost 2 months, I've been in my house. I had coronavirus. I had coronavirus for 6 weeks. I was rolling, thinking it's the end of my life. But God saw me through with prayer and every medication. Name it. I even had Alabukun. The thing expired since 2017. I didn't care. I was taking it just to survive. Because I don't want my daughter to be motherless. I'm inside the house. I can't walk. I cannot go out to work. My job is shut down. Since the beginning of March, we shut down my job. There's no pay. In America, there's nothing that is free. You don't work, you don't get paid. Like I said, it's like 1:30 in the afternoon. On the news, about 500 and something people died already. This is 1:30 in the afternoon. So by 6 p.m., you can imagine what the number will look like. I'm even explaining. The saliva in my mouth is all dried up. Oh, I'm in lockdown too. They were telling, Nabi, so you were there abroad? Dummies. Dummies. I'm sick of it. Stop. You guys really need to stop. Some of them I don't even know. Some of you I don't know. Oh, I'm your mother's sister's daughter. I'm your father's brother's uncle. What has that got to do with me, for crying out loud? Listen, enough. This is not joke anymore. I'm not explaining to nobody anymore. I've decided to do this video so it can get into your brain. Obviously, your brain is at the back. You don't know what's going on in the world. Somebody needs to beat it and bring it back to the front so you can think right. In New York City, corona is killing people like chicken. Dead. They remove you. Next. Throwing them inside the trailer to go and do mass burial. And you guys are complaining? Nigeria, there's a corona? No, corona that is coming, is on transit. Waiting. They say 4 hours transit is waiting. So that you can board the next flight and land in Nigeria. Then you guys will know what corona is. Oh, sister, I hear they gave you guys money, 1,200. Really? Really? The 1,200, they didn't tell you guys is a loan, no? It's a loan. And if you did not work, to file tax, you're not getting it. And if you did get it, you're going to pay it back. When you file your tax next year, 2021, you're going to pay it back. During George Bush, they gave people $300. Some people got $600. The following year, they pay the money back. You're paying it back is a loan. America don't give you free money. For what now? They win lotto. They win lottery where they want to dash people money. They're going to pay you back. You're going to pay them back their money. It's not free. Get it to your head. Get it to your head and your brain. So let's assume they even gave me the $1,200. My rent is almost $2,000 a month. I live in New York City. Those people that have called me already and sent me messages, if they say, okay, let me use the 1,002, let me share it to you people. Let us share it for now.
Good morning, my fellow Nigerians. Your question kan mo fẹ́ béèrè lọ́wọ́ wa o. Ṣé orí ìyà gan lórí wa ni àbí orí ọrọ̀? Because I'm fed up, kò yé mi. As in, it's just like a mistake. Pé wọ́n kàn bí mi sí Nàìjíríà yìí. Ó ti sú mi. Kí ló dé tó yẹ pé gbogbo owó táwọn èèyàn ń donate tá à ń gbọ́ pé Dangote yìí donated 1 billion naira, NNPC wọ́n donate 11 billion naira. Gbogbo àwọn owó tí wọ́n donate yìí, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ níbo ni àwọn owó yìí wà gangan? Wọ́n ní pé lásìkò curfew yìí, yes, it's true. Our government is protecting us. Because of this COVID-19, COVID spread too much. And it's right, but what are we going to be eating? Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ kí la fẹ́ máa jẹ gangan náà. Wọ́n ní pé kí wọ́n fún wa láwọn owó yẹn. Tó bá kéré tí Nigerian government bá fẹ́ fún wa ní 20,000 owó yẹn wà. Tó bá fẹ́ fún wa 50,000 owó yẹn wà. Ṣé irú owó táwọn èèyàn aláàánú yìí tí wọ́n donate, those philanthropists, àwọn owó tí wọ́n donate ṣé òun ló yẹ kí wọ́n wá ẹ̀bẹ́zù? Kí ló tí wọ́n ẹ̀bẹ́zù àwọn owó yìí? Why are they doing this? And mo tún wá gbọ́ tán, some stupid Nigerians tó yẹ pé orí wọn ò pé wọn ò nírònú. Wọ́n tún wá ń kò láìpẹ́ láwọn government. Wọ́n ń sọ pé they are still thinking on how to distribute it. Ìbọn ló máa pa ogun wọn lé wọn. Why are they doing like this? Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ gangan náà kò yé wa. Just take a look at this. Early in the morning, we are drinking garri. Look at our environment. And some stupid politicians, they are living in a glitter environment. Kí ló dé kí la ṣe fún wọn gan-an? Kí ló dé? Is it a crime to be a Nigerian? And Tabama Wito will be calling ourselves giants of Africa. Níbo la ti jẹ́ giants? Though we have the resources, but we are not making use of it. Fún àwọn tó yẹ ká fún. Àwọn fìyà jẹ àwọn masses. Yesterday I was watching the news on Instagram and the humanitarian affairs. Woman yẹn náà lanu sílẹ̀, she's a mother. I don't even know, maybe she's a murderer. Òun lanu lé oní pé àwọn ti mọ àwọn environment táwọn tí wọn ò lówó ní Nàìjíríà wà. Ó tells you pé gbogbo ala lówó ibo la ti rí gan-an. It's only these politicians, those are in power, àwọn nìkan ló ń rí owó yìí ná. Owó wà ní Nàìjíríà, but they don't give it to masses to spend. We are drinking garri early in the morning. Ẹ dẹ̀ kó wa sínú ilé, ẹ sọ wá di prison. If you want us to be prisoners, just give us the clothes. What is all this? Now this thing is uncalled for. This thing is not normal. Please, what you are doing? Because when you surely do this, tí àwọn ọmọ yín náà tí wọ́n bá tún continue náà wọ́n á jẹ́ inú iṣẹ́ ọwọ́ yín. Yorùbá ní pé ẹni tó bá gbé èbù ìkànnì ọmọ ìyá jẹ́ ń bẹ̀. What you are doing is uncover, it's not good. Fáyẹmí nìyẹn. Is here in Ado? Ó wà nínú ilé ẹ̀, ó jẹ ó mu, and we are in our house, we are suffering. Kò sí kankan tí ò ní ṣe lọ́wọ́ nù wa, but you just tie us home in the name of COVID-19. And I'm telling you, typically, I study political science, there is nothing like COVID-19 in Nigeria. This is a way for the politicians to just embezzle all money that comes in. Kí ló dé kí la ṣe fún yín. Tí wọ́n fẹ́ wọ ọgbọ́n láti kówó jẹ, use another technique. Don't just put us at home. Ẹ má sọ wá di prisoners. Kí ló dé gan-an? Ẹ kàn mú wá sínú ilé, tàbá tún rìn, soldiers á máa nà wá. And one more thing, lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ sìn, Fúnkẹ́ Akíndélé, ó ṣe birthday lọ́jọ́ Saturday. Armies are on the way o, àbí wọn ò sí ńbẹ̀ nínú curfew. Naira Marley lọ sí ilé ẹ̀. Àwọn èèyàn lọ sí ilé ẹ̀. Àwọn ènìyàn olókìkí, people from South Africa, they went to her house to celebrate with her and nothing happened. Ìgbà tí wọ́n ń gbé táwọn ẹ̀bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí sọ lórí social media ní pé kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀ kíni kan oṣù ẹ̀kan arrest ẹ̀ ṣé pé ẹ̀kan ṣe léyìí ìgbẹ́lẹ̀ ṣe wàá ronú ikú ẹ̀fẹ́ arrest ẹ̀. This morning I was hearing news, mo wá ń gbọ́ pé wọ́n sọ pé ó ti lọ arrest Fúnkẹ́ Akíndélé. To hell with all the politicians, to hell with all the newscasters, because you are on your way. I want to pray only force gan. Wọ́n ti gbàbọ̀dẹ̀ fún wa. Nigerians are corrupt. People living in Nigeria, we are corrupt. even our fúnra gan ló yẹ kó máa pè ní corruption. There is nobody to call corruption more than us. Ojú ọ̀ràn lẹ́wà táwọn tó kọjá ìfi kọjá. That means our masses nìkan lọ ní ọlọ́pàá ń gbé, our masses nìkan ní sójà ń gbé, àwa nìkan lè ń rí títí wárò kí la ṣe fún yín. Is it a crime kí Ọlọ́run má dá wa dọ́gba ni? Ṣé torí pé àlòwó lọ́wọ́ lẹ fún fìyà jẹ wá? Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ torí Ọlọ́run náà. But I used to tell people something. When I was in school, I used to tell my lecturers, the table will turn around. Ẹni tó rò pé òun nílé òní, Ọlọ́run á gba ipò lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀. Ẹni tí kò nílé òní, òun náà wá dé ibi ipò. That is why Nigeria can never be a better country. Torí ìwà tẹ́ ń wú lónìí, ẹ ti gbìn nǹkan burúkú sínú àwọn youth tó ń bọ̀ lẹ́yìn. Nígbà tí àwọn náà bá dàgbà tó bí irú ẹ̀yin náà, ẹ̀yin politician tẹ́pẹ́ ẹ̀yin politician yẹn, ẹ dẹ̀ ní ọmọ, ẹ kó àwọn tí yẹn kó wọn lọ sí overs, ẹ kó wọn síbì kan. There is nothing like COVID-19 in Nigeria. You are embezzling our money, and if it doesn't change for good, tí kò bá sí ẹni owó tó wọlé fún wa, Fáyẹmí, if you are listening to me, if you are hearing me, I'm at Ado, tí kò bá sí ẹni tí tó ṣẹlẹ̀, people will move out after this week, and I know surely that protest will surely occur. Tẹ́ ẹ bá wá nǹkan ṣe sí, because we are hungry. Some people may not die of this COVID-19 disease. Ẹlòmíì gan ọ̀sẹ̀ ló máa pa. Look at me, look at me as an example. If I don't eat, let me tell you, 5 times in a day, I will have problem because I'm an usher patient. Look at it, I'm now drinking garri early in the morning. Must I drink garri? Nigeria, lead our leaders, please. Dẹ̀ ṣàánú wa torí Ọlọ́run, we are suffering. Àwọn èmi máa kú sínú ilé báyìí, tó yẹ pé ọ̀sà ló máa pa àwọn ẹbí ló máa pa wọ́n sínú ilé. Kò ń ṣe COVID-19. This is not a way to just stop this spread of this disease. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ torí Ọlọ́run. Please find something to do to it. Ẹ ṣàánú wa torí Ọlọ́run. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́. A fi orúkọ Ọlọ́run ọba bẹ̀yẹ ṣàánú wa. Tẹ́ ẹ bá dé tẹ́ bá dé pé ẹ ṣàánú wa. Anybody tó wá sí ń kú báyìí, àwọn máa gbé yín ṣépè ni. Àtìrọ́dúnrún yìí kò sí ọ̀kan nu wọn tó máa lálùyọ. If you don't find something to do to it, thanks.